Hey everyone, it's the Privateer Picker. I don't have a lot of time this morning. I've got to go to work, but I've been waiting on two different packages that I got on eBay. I'm not sure which one this is. Nothing really high security, but kind of cool. Let's see here. Should be a box in here. I don't want to ruin the box. I mean, it seems tiny, I guess. All right. We got it's an old master lock. I'm not sure what or how old it is. Secret Service padlock. Finest brass, pin and tumbler, security. The box is kind of boogered up. This is laminated steel. 1.5-inch case, solid brass locking lever, hardened steel shackle, powerfully riveted construction. Cadmium rust proof, oil occasionally. I wonder how long it's been since this has been oiled. Box is kind of cool. Never had a master lock Secret Service padlock before. It's brand new. Is this the master lock number 3? Huh. Doesn't say anything about Secret Service on here. I don't know what that means. Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Feels like a master lock. Let's see. I don't pick master locks the way a lot of people do. I usually use top of the keyway for everything. This might be a little too tight. Alright. Jesus, Loki scared the shit out of me. There we go. Yeah, the oil occasionally isn't kidding. Loki. There we go. Nope, go back to that. I know it works. Right there. Yeah. Pin 4 was just really scrunchy back there. It's shimmable. It just looks like a master lock number 3. I don't know what the Secret Service on the box means, but it looked cool on eBay. Anyways, that's all I can do today, and fair winds.